Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information to help you maintain and troubleshoot your car. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of throttle bodies, those crucial components that regulate your car's airflow and overall performance. Specifically, we'll explore the telltale signs of a failing throttle body, the potential consequences of neglecting it, and the remedies that can get your car back in tip-top shape. We'll explore the symptoms, effects, and remedies of a failing throttle body. So, if you've been experiencing issues with your car's performance, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the symptoms, let's understand the role of the throttle body in your car's engine. The throttle body is an essential component of your car's engine system, responsible for regulating the amount of air that flows into the engine. It controls the amount of air that enters the engine, regulating the engine's speed and power output. When it malfunctions, it can lead to various problems that affect your car's performance. Symptoms of a failing throttle body. 1. Rough idle. A rough or erratic idle, where the engine RPMs fluctuate noticeably, is a strong indicator of a failing throttle body. 2. Reduced engine performance. A failing throttle body can cause a reduction in engine performance, including power loss, poor acceleration, and rough idling. 3. Stalling. A failing throttle body can cause your car to stall or even shut off completely. Sudden stalling or hesitation when coming to a stop, or while accelerating, is another common symptom. 2. Check engine light. Your car's check engine light may illuminate if there's an issue with the throttle body. While not always specific to the throttle body, the check engine light is a warning sign that something's amiss. A diagnostic scan can pinpoint the exact issue. 4. Difficulty starting. If your car has trouble starting or takes longer than usual to start, it could be due to a faulty throttle body. 5. Poor fuel economy. A failing throttle body can cause your car to consume more fuel than usual, leading to poor fuel economy. It can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to inefficient combustion and reduced fuel economy. Effects of a failing throttle body. 1. Safety issues. A failing throttle body can cause safety issues while driving, such as sudden stalling or loss of power. Stalling or hesitation while driving can pose a safety risk, especially in traffic or emergency situations. 2. Engine damage. A faulty throttle body can cause damage to other engine components over time. A malfunctioning throttle body can strain the engine, causing potential damage to its internal components. 3. Reduced fuel efficiency. The improper air-fuel mixture resulting from faulty throttle body can lead to excessive fuel consumption. 4. Expensive repairs. Neglecting the throttle body can lead to more expensive repairs down the road. Replacing a faulty throttle body can be expensive, especially if it has caused damage to other parts of the engine. Remedies for a failing throttle body. Now, let's discuss some remedies for a failing throttle body. 1. Cleaning. Sometimes, a dirty throttle body can cause problems. Cleaning it may solve the issue. Cleaning the throttle body can resolve minor issues. You can use a throttle body cleaner and a soft brush to remove carbon deposits and dirt that may be causing the malfunction. 2. Replacement. If cleaning doesn't work, replacing the throttle body is usually the best option. It's recommended to replace the throttle body with a new or refurbished unit. Consult a professional mechanic for proper diagnosis and replacement. 3. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent throttle body issues from occurring in the first place. 4. Professional diagnosis and repair. For a proper diagnosis and repair, it's always recommended to consult a qualified mechanic or automotive technician. Preventive maintenance tips. To prevent throttle body issues, regular maintenance is key. Ensure that your air filter is clean and replace it as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Regularly inspect and clean air intake system. Another important step in maintaining a healthy throttle body is to regularly inspect and clean your air intake system. Over time, debris, dirt, and oil can accumulate in the intake system, affecting the throttle body's performance. Check the air filter, intake hoses, and connections for any signs of blockage or damage. Clean or replace them as necessary to ensure proper airflow. Use high-quality fuel and additives. Using high-quality fuel and fuel additives can also contribute to the longevity of your throttle body. Low-quality fuel can leave behind deposits that can clog the throttle body and affect its functionality. Opt for reputable fuel brands and consider using fuel additives that help clean the fuel system and prevent carbon buildup. Regularly check and maintain engine components. It's crucial to regularly check and maintain other engine components that can indirectly impact the throttle body. This includes the spark plugs, ignition system, and fuel injectors. Faulty spark plugs or a malfunctioning ignition system can lead to incomplete combustion, affecting the throttle body's performance. Clean or replace spark plugs and ensure the fuel injectors are clean and functioning properly. Avoid harsh driving habits. Your driving habits can also play a role in the health of your throttle body. Avoid harsh driving habits such as rapid acceleration, excessive idling, and sudden braking. These actions can put unnecessary strain on the throttle body and other engine components, leading to premature wear and potential failure. Regular professional inspections. Lastly, consider scheduling regular professional inspections of your vehicle. A qualified mechanic can perform thorough checks, including inspecting the throttle body, to catch any potential issues early on. They can also provide expert advice on maintenance and address any concerns you may have. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the symptoms, effects, and remedies of a failing throttle body on your car. By staying vigilant, performing regular maintenance, and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure your throttle body operates smoothly and your car performs at its best. Remember, if you're experiencing persistent problems with your throttle body, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.